Hey guys, what is up? Welcome to my channel. It is Grace Tori here. Welcome back. We are doing a makeup video today. We are back on that beauty grind. I'm so excited for this look. I don't even know. Luke Hemmings has been my favorite person literally on the planet since I was about 13. So the chance to do this and just kind of recreate his personality through makeup has just like, I'm just so excited. This was so much fun to do and I love it. So before we get started, if you want to click subscribe, it would really help out my channel and you get to see more fun looks and hang out with me. If you want to hit like, that would be super cool, and if you want to comment, that would be dope too. So without further ado, I'm going to show you how I did this look. Hey guys, yes, we are in a different setup. The corona be hitting different and I had to move because I can't film in my regular spot. So we are going to do this eye. I wanted to keep this look as simple as possible. I feel like Luke would be natural-ish, but he'd also be like an e-girl. So I wanted to try and put both of those ideas into one. So I used orange eyeshadow because his eyes are blue, and hi Evie's coming to play, and blue eyes really pop with orange and coppers, so I thought that he would be like e-girl, but you would use orange because it makes your eyes pop. So, you know. I'm using my Morphe Boss Mood palette, and I'm going to be taking both of these oranges. Ooh, so I'm going to start with the matte one. So I'm going to be taking this matte color and putting it on the outer corner. I messed up and put a little bit on the lid, but it actually goes on the outer corner. So we can have a little bit in this V, and then I'm just going to go all the way around. And it's not going to be like the cleanest look that I've ever done, because I feel like it's like a grunge vibe, you know, you feel me? So I don't think that it would be like clean and precise. Oh, but not that messy. I messed up. So that is what the lid is going to look like, and then we are going to take this sparkly orange color right there, and that is going to go on our lid, focusing more on the inner corner in the middle than on the outer corner. And I'm just packing that on to make it nice and sparkly. And I feel like I need to do a little bit more of the outer lid because I feel like there's a little bit more going on the other eye than on this one. So I'm just going to keep doing that until I feel like it is how I like it. And then I'm going to take the sparkly orange and go under my eye, being really gentle here and only just touching it to meet the inner corner, if that makes sense. Ooh. So that's honestly really it for the eyeshadow, adding a tiny bit more sparkle. So that is all that I'm going to do. Now it's time to move on to eyeliner. Let's see if my eyeliner is going to want to do the right thing today, or if it's going to be a 20-minute series. Stay tuned to find out. Let's see if I can find my eyeliner. Stay tuned to find out. I feel like this is really Halloween because of the orange, and this is actually how I wore my eyeshadow for Halloween. But I wanted to kind of step it up and do a little bit more of a crazier look than I did for Harry's, because like it was cute and I'm here for it, but it was really natural and I just wanted to go all out with Luke. So this is like e-girl fantasy right here, okay? Yay, yeehaw. So I found my eyeliner. I am going to be just putting eyeliner on like I would usually do. And I did his liner a little bit thicker on this side, so I'm just going to thicken it up a little bit. Evie, what's wrong? Nice. And then I did a little wing because I still want this to be, I know it's like not natural, but I want it to be natural at the same time. that makes any sense. If you can hear my dog crying, she's just complaining because she wants to play. I've been playing with her all morning and I will continue to play with her when I'm done, but she's literally just pouting. Right, Evie? Right, Evie? See? Here she comes to play. Come here. Come here. Come here. See? She's fine. She's just a little brat. Say, I'm just a little brat. Really? Okay, Evie. I love you. Can I finish filming? Can I finish filming? I know. You can sit right there if you want to. Just sit right there the whole video. Just... She's looking out the window because usually I have the blinds closed, but they're open. So while I adjust my eyeliner, she's just gonna check out what's going on. I made that wing way bigger than it needs to be, so I am going to go in and just undo that. Oh, someone's car is going off. So many things are happening. Who just tweeted? If Luke tweeted, that would be like kind of ironic. Okay, that's way better. While that is drying, I am going to do a little bit of mascara. Whose car is going off? I hope it's not mine. If you can hear kids, that's the kids playing on the playground. It's literally right outside of my window. So this probably looks like I'm just like watching them play, but I'm not, I promise. There's a camera. I'm sorry, this is quarantine day 11, so if I say anything kind of weird, it's because I'm dying. And this is day 2 of being in school because I was on spring break, so I'm already really overwhelmed with that, but hopefully it doesn't affect my videos. I genuinely hope it doesn't. Like I'm doing my best so that it doesn't. Now it is time to apply the false lash on this eye. If you use magnetic lashes like me, go ahead and get your little magnetic liner out and just go along your lash line. Okay, so make sure that you put it all along the lash line if you're using a magnetic one so that your lash will stick all along your lash line and not just in the middle or on one side. So I am going to let that dry, and while that is drying, it is time to do our eyebrows. I wanted my eyebrows to look a little bit thicker but more natural still. So, I mean, my Wow Brow kind of already does that. You guys know I love this product. I talk about it all the time. So I just put that on, but I made sure that everything was filled in and it looked thick and still natural. Almost like a bushy look. Because I think that's so cute when you're going for a natural look to really like focus on your brows. I feel like that's one of the main pieces that really make the look come together. I literally keep hearing things and I don't know what they are, so if you hear them too, I'm sorry. I don't know. Okay, so now that that is done, we are going to put our other lash on. Okay, so now that that is on, I am just going to go back in with my mascara and do a second coat on my lower lashes and do a coat on my top lashes so that they look more natural and cohesive. So now that my eyes are done, it is time to move on to the face. So first we are going to contour. We're going to be using Celebrity Skin from Blue Blood like usual because I'm pale. Just gonna do my usual bronzing, no big deal. or contouring, bronzing, both. Whatever you want to call it. Oops. The only thing about using an eyeshadow from Blue Blood is that it's very easy to get blue on your brush. So, yeah. Oh, Evie has chilled out. She is asleep behind me. Took me forever to get this eyelash on. It just didn't want to do the right thing. But here we are. We survived. Okay, so once your face is bronzed, it is time to do blush. I am going to be using the Becca Champagne Pop with, what blush color is this? Mineral blush, I think. I don't know what exactly it's called. Hold on. So it is very corally, very pretty. I'm almost out of highlighter, so that's really sad. But I am going to be taking this and going all across my face to give me more of a sun-kissed look, more natural sun-kissed. There's a little bit of highlighter mixed in here, so it's giving me a little bit of a glow, but that's okay. I want to make sure that you really almost look sunburnt to make this work. Just makes you look like you leave the house when you don't, which me, honestly. Just a little bit more on my nose. And since that was basically mixed with highlighter, I am not really going to put any highlighter on my cheeks, but I'm going to put highlighter on the bridge of my nose, on my cupid's bow, and then just a little bit on my forehead. I think that I'm gonna go in with the bronzer and just chisel my face a little bit more because I feel like it's really pale today. Okay, and now for the fun part. We are going to be doing glitter freckles. I'm so excited. So what I'm going to be doing is taking glitter glue, glitter primer, and it's just NYX, and I am going to be putting some on my finger. And then I'm just going to be using my other finger and putting that on my nose where I want the, or on my cheeks and my nose where I want the sparkles to go. This is so fun. I think that Luke, he does a little bit of like sparkly stuff. He's kind of turning into Harry in that aspect. And I feel like for shows and stuff, if he wore makeup, he would definitely do something like this. So I'm really excited to implement this into my look and also see how it comes out. Like, who knows what's gonna happen. Okay, so once the primer is on my face, I am going to be taking, where did it go? I'm going to be taking my NYX Glitter Brilliance. I wish I had gold glitter, but I don't, so we are going to be using silver. And let's see. I'm going to be taking this e.l.f. Flawless Concealer brush and just dipping it in there. Oh, did you see that? Oh, I love this. I freaking love glitter. It's gonna get everywhere, but it's okay. Hopefully my dogs don't run. And now I am just going to so that kind of went everywhere. But that's okay. Oh, does it work like this too? Okay, so it works like that too, but too late now. Now I'm just going to go in with a towel and gently, very gently, brush off any sparkles that I do not want. This is probably going to be the most time-consuming part of the entire look because glitter just stays everywhere. Okay. Now I'm going to go in with my hands. Okay, so I'm actually obsessed with this already. My little nose piercing. Okay. I pretty much got all of it. And now I am going to go in and put a jet black heart on one of my cheeks, which kind of is going to fulfill, just spill glitter everywhere. Oops. Okay, so this is kind of, going to fulfill that jet black heart, or that e-girl look, so hopefully I can draw a heart and not screw up. Cute, cute. Now I'm just filling in the heart. It's a little bigger than I wanted it to be, but that's okay. Okay. And now for lastly, the lips. So I decided for the lips I wanted to be natural because there's so much going on, and I don't think that Luke would be much of like a lipstick kind of person. Maybe he would wear like black lipstick, but I don't know, I just don't feel like he would. He'd be more on the natural side. So I am going to just be putting chapstick on. This is Coconut and Pear by Burt's Bees. Not my favorite, but I do love Burt's Bees, so I recommend vanilla bean flavor. There we go. So that is the completed look. Now I'm going to send you into a montage. Yay, best part of the video. So I hope you guys enjoyed that video. I had so much fun doing this. Honestly, this series has been my favorite I've ever done on my channel. It's just so much fun, and I just love getting to do it. So if you have an idea of who you want the next celebrity that I recreate to be, go ahead and comment down below, and I will recreate their makeup. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Don't forget to hit that subscribe and notification bell. Don't forget to like, and don't forget to leave a comment if you wanna, and I will see you guys in my next video.
Tastes like strawberries on a summer evening, and it sounds just like a song.